Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video I'm going to be answering a percentage question. I'm going to be showing you how to solve percentage equations. So on the board we have a question that says, find 12.5% of 16. Now for this question you might start by finding 10%, then 1%, then 0.5% and adding together to get 12.5%. But I'm going to show you a quick little tip which will save you some time on questions like this. We're going to start by finding 50% of 16, which we do by halving 16. Which goes to 8. Then we're going to find 25%, again we halve 8. So that gives us 4, and if you notice 12.5 is actually half of 25, so we're going to use the same trick again and just halve everything. So 12.5% of 16 is 2. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.